Okay, we are moving to another startup, Materials in Work from Malaysia. They have again been finalists to one of our ISC3 innovation challenge, the one on sustainable chemistry and waste management, and they have been winner in the category Best Social Impact just last year. Materials in Works has been founded by, packaging materials experts. They are working on the reintroduction of residual paper liners from the label packaging industry as a new raw material or feedstock for paper manufacturing. And let's welcome John Uy. He's founder and technical director of Materials in Work. And please come on stage and tell us what you are doing.
Thank you, Alexis. Okay, now I have fancy clicker. Okay. So hello everyone. So my name is John. So I'm from Kingdom far away, Malaysia. Okay, 16 hours ride to come here. So before I start something, I would like to introduce you this label material, right? So they always come with fancy printed image. So what happened was this label usually go to a product, so leaving non-fancy stuff behind. So this is known as residue paper liner or silicone paper, right? So because of a special coating on top, silicone is best known as inert material. So they cannot go through normal recycling. So what happened in our region is been landfill 100%, right? So what we do, we work with local university. So we came up with a solution to remove this inert thing and we recover them. Then it becomes a product, right? So it becomes a pulp. So pulp is a source of raw material, you make paper products, okay? So in short, we are giving label packaging waste a second life. So next will be a video explaining what we do.
Whenever you walk into a retail store, everything that you buy makes the earth warmer. How is that? The answer are labels. Labels are everywhere, decorating and identifying products. Behind the scenes, release liners are the unsung heroes, carrying and protecting labels before they are applied. Paper and film liners are often end up in landfills in Asia and Oceania. Let's say a tissue producer needs 12,000 tons of pulp to make a large order of tissue. The tissue will only be sold at a fixed price in a retail chain store. The tissue producer always has a price risk because of the floating rate, and most importantly, the pulp is not locally available and involves deforestation activities. This is where Materials in Works comes in. Materials in Works is developing an upcycling solution to help label packaging stakeholders resolve their waste management problems and paper manufacturers solve their raw material challenges. All these initiatives bring us closer to the harmonic and sustainable development on Earth. Take positive climate action with Materials in Works. Think circular. Less is more.
Okay, so that's the video about us, okay, what we do. So the key terms over here is first, sustainability, right? So we wanted to ensure a sustainable development in label packaging industry. So we wanted to meet the present need without compromising the future generation well-being and also the balance. And followed by waste. So like mentioned in my region, waste for label side, usually landfill or incinerate away, right? So that's why we wanted to foster a circular economy framework to sustain the development and trying to reduce the pollution. So the problem, so you can see here, is a landmark of Malaysia, Petronas Twin Tower. So close to 3 kilotons of paper waste being generated in a day. So worse still, label packaging side, they are generating 500 tons in a month. So all go to landfill. So that's why in 45 days, it can easily fill out our landmark, right? So there's a little wasted potential. So this waste actually is very high-end product. Okay, so let me explain later. So it's a wasted potential go to landfill. And also, beside that, just how you saw in the video, so paper product manufacturer. So Malaysia, we don't produce our own pulp. All have to be imported in. So there's one time during COVID time, we even run out of toilet paper, right? Because we don't have the source of pulp. So that's why now we are helping, in a way, the tissue manufacturer to solve their raw material challenges, right? So the climate impact, so with our upcycling solution, 60% of Malaysia market, we can save close to 55,000 trees from cutting down. So you know, tree in their lifetime, they absorb carbon dioxide. In exchange, they produce oxygen. So by preventing the trees from cutting down, we can offsetting close to 11,000 tons of CO2. Then landfill, you produce methane and so on, right, which is 27 times potent than carbon dioxide. So by upcycling the waste, actually we reduce significantly on the CO2 emissions. So altogether, we can save close to 60,000 tons of CO2 being emitted. So in layman term, equivalent of taking 13,000 cars off the road for 1 year, okay? So this is in the market potential. So Malaysia, we have 6,000 tons of paper liner waste. In whole ASEAN, we have 45,000 tons. So currently, mostly are landfill, right? So it's a very good market for us to start because we have a lot of multinational factory. So say, for example, brand owner, we have Nestle, P&G, Shell, and etc., right? And also we have DHL also, right, from the logistics side. Then also we have labor converters and brand owners that can support our business there. So before that, in labor side, the thing is linear economy. So we take, we make, and we dispose, right? It's not viable. So that's why we introduced the circular economy framework to labor packaging industry, right? So of course, it will minimize waste, the pollution, maximize the resource efficiency, right? And create a more sustainable and resilient economy system. So our solution very straightforward. So basically, we are cutting away from landfill. We turn them into resources. So before then, because of these technical challenges, they cannot be upcycled. So now we make them into a product that we can sell, right? And you can make paper product. So this is our product called recovered cellulose pulp, a lignin-free. So that's why I said it's a very high-end product, chemical pulp. So that means you bleach them, okay? So they don't contain lignin, wood-free paper, wood-free pulp, so with high cellulose content. So that's why it can be used to make high-end products such as A4 copy paper, tissue, and also some high-end food packaging. So this is one of the examples we can use to make A4 copy paper, right, by using the pulp we make. Okay, so what makes us unique? So we are proud to say currently we don't have direct competition in the region. So most are landfill. So that's why we come at the right time, okay? So there are less than 5 companies that are doing upcycling now by using this waste, but most of them are in Europe. So we are the only one first in ASEAN, yeah. So this is our unique selling point. So we support ESG goal. So we are fostering the framework of circular economy. So we are making high quality product that can produce high-end product, right? So this is a model. We sell recovered cellulose pulp at raw material and also charging waste handling fee. So this is the forecast for our pilot machinery, okay? So we are aiming to hit first year 125 ton production and second year by 284 ton per month. So this is basically Malaysia and Singapore market. So this is the fund we asked for, 2 million ringgit, so which is roughly 500K US dollar. So we are proud to say now we're able to raise 1.7 million ringgit with our crowdfunding now. So it's closing soon, so by this month end, yeah. So we have another 250K to go. So this is the premises we secure in Johor, Malaysia, and this is the team. So I'm on technical, then we have Astri operation and Joel on sales, and also Dr. Lei, who is the one that's supporting us from university side. Okay, so these are the local partners and accolades. So we also social enterprise certified in our region. So that's why we are listed in Asia Venture Philanthropic Network, right, in their deal sharing platform. Then we won grant from government body, Yayasan Hasana, then also some accelerator program. Okay, thank you so much.